Okay, everybody, it's me. It's me. It is. It is me. Gregory Mannarino. This is my post-market report. Status post. What a vomitous day this was. I don't know another way to put it. Fed day. And I had to sit here, and I did this for all of you, and listen to Dove Boy. See, yellow stain. His stain has become so dark. He's now Dove Boy. He has evolved. Just when you think you've heard it all, really seriously, you hear what came out of the mouth of Dove Boy, Jay Powell, Federal Reserve. I'm going to calm down a minute. Here we go. Look, I can't even get going here, but it's too much. Let me just assimilate some stuff here. Closing bell just went off. Stocks finished higher across the board, and they're going to keep going higher, especially after Dove Boy promised the world to this market. That's why he is Dove Boy. All this man spoke about today was how the Federal Reserve is going to continue to issue massive, not just massive, but expand its debt purchases, or is ready to expand its debt purchases across the entire spectrum. What did that do to the dollar? Did you see the dollar? Whammo! Dollar gets hit. Also, and I hate talking about it, the entire yield curve dropped in anticipation that the Fed is going to get in here and buy more debt. Let me think. Someone around here, maybe me, explained to you like yesterday or the day before that the Fed is about to embark on a massive debt expansion before Dove Boy, aka Yellow Stain, Shit Stain, can I say that, came out today. Look, what I want to know, and maybe you can clarify this for me. What gives them the right, the Federal Reserve, to conjure up out of thin air as many dollars as they want to buy whatever they want? And I'm going to tell you what gives them the right. We did. We let it all disappear. We've allowed this to happen, and our politicians from the top down are continuing to play right into this. Do you think that the president didn't want to hear what came out of Dove Boy's mouth today? Dove Boy, Dove Boy. Oh, Dove Boy, if I just had a minute to just smack you across the face, I would. Seriously. Here we go. I'm going off the deep end here. But, yeah, this is what we can expect, people. No surprise to you if you follow this blog. We haven't seen anything. Nothing yet as to what's coming down the pike. We didn't hear a single syllable out of Dove Boy's mouth today about how they were going to cut back on anything. No, more debt, and even more debt on top of that. Why? It's their freaking final solution. You know that. They want to be the lenders and buyers of last resort. They want to own the world. And he promised the world today, because why? Central banks own the world. They own you. They own us all. We transact in their dog shit currency that they print out of thin air, add to a digital screen in epic amounts. It's not going to stop. And what's that going to do? It's going to flatten out the yield curve, weaken the dollar, and push stocks higher. You understand how this works now? Again, you do not need a degree in rocket science to get it. You don't need it. Gold and silver caught a little bit of a bid today. You know what? I'm not even sure what cryptocurrencies did. I think they were under pressure a little earlier. But look, it doesn't matter. All we know is we need to be taking the opposite side of this trade. The Federal Reserve today, Yellow Stain, Dove Boy, Shithead, whatever you want to call the thing that is running the world. Okay, it's him. You think it's President Trump that's running the world in the United States? It's Dove Boy. Okay, the United States under Dove Boy. You get it? I think you do. Okay, they're running the show. They're running everything right now. pumping cash into the debt market like we have never seen. It's about to get worse. They are making sure that they hyperinflate the debt bubble, hyperinflate a stock market bubble, and everything else. Malinvestment like we have never seen before. Why? Because that's what they do. They're serial bubble blowers. They pull the plug. Everybody goes short the market. The big banks, the Wall Street banks that are going to get recapitalized. Like I explained to you, there's no alternative to recapitalizing the banks again, bailing out the banks again, more debt, just like Dove Boy promised today. It's incredible. But then you've got the retards, okay? The Confederacy of Liars, okay? They're sitting there talking about the markets. Bloomberg, especially CNBC, Fox Business, but especially CNBC. The Confederacy of Retarded Liars, okay? I don't know, look, I can't believe these people have sold their souls to the devil like this, okay? They will say anything that the script in front of them tells them to say. I mean, you know, it's insane. Me, you couldn't pay me enough. You could offer me the world and I wouldn't do it. It's not worth my integrity as a man. Not worth it. But this is what these bought and paid for shills are paid to do. To convince you that, oh, everything is just great. Oh, yeah, more debt. That's what we need. That's going to fix everything. Oh, yeah. You can't make this shit up. If you wanted to, if you try to write it down, it's impossible to do. But this is where we're at. This is why stocks are going up. This is why the debt is going to be exploded higher than we've ever seen before. They're going to buy everything. And what are we going to do about it? Well, being that we are powerless to stop it, Washington, the White House, the Federal Reserve, one and the same. The government is the Federal Reserve. Dove Boy is the man. It's not Trump with his nice hairdo. No. It's Dove Boy. Dove Boy runs the entire world. Just so you know, the Federal Reserve, the central bank of central banks, they run it all. They can do whatever they want, when they want to do it, and the only thing we can do is take advantage of the situation, betting against this massive debt expansion that's coming, becoming our own central banks, holding things outside the dollar. Do you think today's hit to the dollar was anything? You haven't seen it anything yet. 0, 00. No. This is going to get much worse. Like, you have no idea. But just be ready for it. You know what to do. Let this market work for you. I traded this market today. I placed 3 trades, all successful. Did well. Had a really good day yesterday, by the way. Convert that into other assets. Get out of this dollar. They're going to kill it. They're determined to kill the dollar. You know that. They're determined to inflate stocks. I mean, look at the effect. I am Dove Boy! And I promise I'm going to pump this market full of so much debt that you have no idea. Stock market goes up. Dollar goes down. Treasury yields drop. Yeah, that's the desired effect. You got it? Yeah, that's going to continue here. Until when? Until it doesn't. Get used to it. I have to stop this video right now because I'm getting a little hyper. My pulse is up. Please share this video. Get it out there. Let me know what you think about what I just covered. Did I say one thing that is not true? Or has everything I just said? Does it make sense to you? I hope so. Love you a lot. See you in the morning.